In this video, I'm going to teach you waving hands in clouds, yang style for beginners. This is part 1, upper body only. We're going to go ahead and start with a little bit of a wider stance than shoulder width apart so that we can practice the upper body movement and weight shift. Let's go ahead and put your right hand on top and your left hand on the bottom. Your hands are facing your body and the arms are protecting your body. So it's important that these are in the correct place. If you're too open, then you can see where my body's not protected. If you're too close to the body, then the hands can be used against you, and that's not protecting. If my hands are too high, once again, I'm not being protected and I can easily be uprooted. So we want the top hand to protect our sternum area right here. So make sure that that hand is indeed in front of that and blocking. The bottom hand is protecting our lower area and is just below or at the level of the dantian. The arms are away from the body, not close and squished. So you want to have your arms out and ready to protect. Another thing is the elbows are down. Oftentimes my beginners, they want to do more and expand so their elbows come up. And as you can see, then that leaves me very vulnerable for attack on the ribs. So I'm just resting my elbows down as though they're resting on my knees and they're connecting to my knees. I don't look at my hand. If I'm looking at my hand while I do waving hands in clouds, then I'm not seeing what's going on around me. And waving hands in clouds, after all, is a defensive maneuver. It's a block. So I'm going to be here and somebody's going to punch at me, then I block and roll it away. So it's important that you understand the purpose of waving hands in clouds and the hand position and why. All right, so let's put our right hand up top, protecting the chest, away from the body. Left hand is on the bottom, near the dantian, but again, away from the body. Now, go ahead and weight shift slightly to your left, and you can turn your dantian a little bit to the left. Now, pull across and weight shift. Okay, can we just try that again? Pull across and weight shift. Yes, very nice. Now, don't do it and watch me. Now, what did you notice? Specifically, watch my shoulders. What happened at the shoulders? That's right, nothing. Nothing happened to the shoulders. So I'm not flinging my arms out or moving at the shoulders. I'm creating a structure, my shoulders are set, and I'm simply carrying the arms along for the ride. Across and block. Yes. So let's try it again. Place the hands, weight shift, block. Now we're going to switch hands slowly and put your left hand on top, now the right hand blocking. Now it looks like I'm across my body, but I want you to watch closely. Watch what happens when I unwind and I face you directly. Can you see that my hands are still right at midline? In other words, I haven't crossed over midline or crossed across my body like this. So my arms are still at midline. So even though I've weight shifted and I've turned, I can turn more and more. This is some Tai Chi strategies here. My arms are still in the same place. It's almost an illusion. So my arms don't really cross or move past my midline. Really important during waving hands in clouds. Oftentimes my beginners will do something like this. They're reaching across and they're kind of tangled up a little bit. So keep it open, keep protecting this area. So let's go ahead and try together. Weight shift to your left, right hand's on top, left hand's on the bottom. Now pull across, weight shift. Now your weight's on the right and you've turned towards your right corner. And then slowly switching hands, left hand on top, and pull across and weight shift. Turn the dantian, switch hands, and pull across and weight shift. slowly switching hands, pull across, weight shift. Slowly switching hands, pull across, and weight shift. That's very nice. One more. Pull across and weight shift. Yes. This is actually part of the form. Enjoy it just as much as you do coming across. So the switching of the hands is slow and flowing, just like the rest of the form. So you pull across, then slowly switch hands and pull across. Slowly switch hands and pull across. Very nice. That is waving hands in clouds for beginners, upper body. In the next lesson, I'll teach you the stepping in the lower body, and then the next one we'll put it all together. Well, thank you very much for watching my video, and if you enjoy the way I teach, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to sharing more Tai Chi videos with you in the future. Thank you.